In this video, I am going to show you guys how you can buy from Alibaba for personal use. Now, I'm going to explain to you guys every single thing you need to know about Alibaba. Now, first, after you create an account on Alibaba, you want to search for what you want to buy. Okay, so for example, I want to buy a gaming desk. Okay, you want to search for it. Now, if you want to buy only one item or two items, now in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can see if if the seller is legit or not. Okay, now just keep watching. I'm going to explain to you everything you need to know. Now, I have been buying from Alibaba like for 3 years. Like, I have never had any problem with sellers. They always send the items in time, so there is nothing to worry about. Alibaba is the biggest e-commerce website in the world. Okay, so there is nothing to worry about. Now, like I said, guys, you want to search for what you want to buy, and you want to scroll down a little bit and click on ready to ship. Okay, now the reason why you have to click on ready to ship or check ready to ship, so that Alibaba will show you the items that has like the minimum order amount is like 1 piece, 2 pieces. Now, if you don't click on ready to ship, you will have to contact the supplier, and then they can send you a link so that you can complete the purchase. But if you click on purchase ready to ship, like Alibaba will only show you the items that are ready to ship at that moment. So you can click on order now, and the seller will send you the item to your house, to your country. Okay, now, like, buying from Alibaba is the same as buying from Amazon. Okay, you will receive the item just like you do on Amazon or any other e-commerce website. Now, the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on the item that you want to buy, and as you can see, make sure it says here 1 to 299. That means we can buy one item of these. Okay, now you want to click on where it says here this plus, so that you can select which amount, how many pieces you want. I want 1. Now, in the top, you want to select your country. Okay, so if you live in United States, select United States of America, the zip code, and then click save. And here is what you need to do, guys. You want to click on this plus, like I said, and then you want to click start order. Okay, click on start order. Now, if the shipping is expensive for you, then find other supply, like find other sellers. Now, some people, they offer free shipping, some people offer less like for shipping, others offer like a very expensive shipping. It depends on how fast you want the item to arrive in your country. Now, after you click on order, now you want to click on add address, and here you have to add your shipping address. For example, United States, the address 1 here, like the address 2 is optional, of course. The state, let's say that California, and the city is Los Angeles, for example. Now, the next thing you want to do is the zip code. You want to get the zip code, and then the contact name, your name here, and the phone number, so that when the item arrives in your country, they can contact you if you are not at home or anything like that. You want to click on submit, and then you want to click on submit order. So after you click on submit order, it will take you where you can enter the payment. It accepts PayPal, MasterCard, Visa. Keep in mind that some sellers, they don't accept PayPal, so you want to find other sellers like on Alibaba if they don't, if you want to pay using PayPal. Now, like I said, there is nothing to worry about. After you click on submit order, you can then go to orders in the top right, and here you will find all the orders that you have purchased from your Alibaba. After they ship the item, you can always contact the seller if you want, and you can tell them like when you are going to ship my item. They are going to tell you guys when, and after they ship the item, you will receive a notification, and you will get a tracking number. Now, after you get the tracking number, so that you can track the item until it arrives in your country, you want to search for this website. It's called 70 Track. Enter that tracking number here, and you want to click on track, and then you can then track the item until it arrives in your country, and then you will receive the item. So that's exactly, guys, there is nothing to worry about using Alibaba. It's the biggest e-commerce website in the world. So see you guys in the next video. If this video helped you or you want to learn more about Alibaba, click the video in the screen, and see you guys in the next video.